Recording the sewer line here today at 13786 Northeast 75th Place in Redmond, Washington. Date is August 3rd, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the front of the home, black ABS clean out. I'm going to pull back from the city's main sewer, which is what we're looking at there, about 100 feet down the line or so. So 6-inch diameter concrete pipe coming back from that city main sewer, running out in front of the house. Come back into 4-inch diameter pipe right here at this point. I'm going to go locate this spot. I believe that's my spot. Is that my spot? No, right there. We are coming back into 4-inch diameter sewer right here at this point. I'm going to go locate this spot. I'm going to run a little water down the line too to clean off this camera. Alright, we're going to continue the recording here. We are about 9 feet deep right there. Out kind of near a street sign at the corner of the yard. So we're back into 4-inch diameter pipe. I'm going to zero out my footage here so we can get a length on this 4-inch diameter pipe as it comes back towards the house. So seam in the pipe about every 2 feet or so. Those seams are the weak spots. That's where you get the shifting and the root intrusion and that. See some root intrusion there. We're going to call that 59 feet of 4-inch diameter concrete piping before you get back to that clean out ABS plastic. There's a clean out I'm making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.